Let's have a look at the X-Max V1 Plus, a portable conduction vaporizer from x-vape for concentrates. Inside the box you'll find one X-Max V1 Plus, one dab tool, one USB cable, and 4 spacers. To load your unit, first remove the mouthpiece to expose the heating chamber. Load your wax into the chamber using your stainless steel dab tool. Once you have completed this, replace the mouthpiece and you are ready to vaporize. The X-Max V1 Plus has one voltage setting. Over the course of your bowl, the actual voltage will range from 3.3 to 4.2 volts. Let me tell you about some of the key features of the X-Max V1 Plus, which make it such a slick device. The first is convection heating. The flavor is exquisite and the draws are smooth. The second is the cloud size. This little unit can pump out clouds like a fog machine. The third is the ceramic donut bowl. This evenly cooks your wax and makes the unit easy to clean. All in all, the X-Max V1 Plus is solid for anyone looking for a dependable wax pen. I'm Alex for TVape TV. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. And for all you connoisseurs out there, keep